Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you two companies that are currently hiring people to train AI, and the best part is that the application process is so simple. The first company is called Turing, and on their dashboard we can explore various available roles, and currently they are looking for AI quality analyst, personalization, Japanese, video content creator, US based, principal Gen AI engineer, New York City. You just go through all these available jobs and see if one of them fits you. So today I want us to apply for this LLM trainer agent function call, this one. So LLM trainer agent function call, job description, it's remote, required skills Python, Java, JavaScript, and job description. About Turing. Turing is one of the world's fastest growing AI companies, accelerating the advancement and deployment of powerful AI systems. Turing helps customers in two ways: working with the world's leading AI labs to advance frontier model capabilities in thinking, reasoning, coding, agentic behavior, multimodality, all these. Role overview: this position is within a project with one of the foundational LLM companies. The goal is to assist these foundational LLM companies in enhancing their large language models. So go through everything. And what does day-to-day look like? Design multi-turn conversations that stimulate real interaction between users and AI assistants using apps like calendar, email, maps, and drive. Emulate both the user and assistants, including the assistant tool calls only when corrections are needed. Carefully select when and how the assistant uses available tools. You guys just go through everything. Requirements: strong general technical reasoning, ability to break down complex tasks, experience in any programming language or tech stack, excellence written communication skills in English, creativity and attention to detail, experience working with or around LLMs, ability to follow detailed guidelines, 3 years of overall professional experience in technical analytical fields. Perks of freelancing with Turing: work in a fully remote environment, opportunity to work on cutting-edge AI projects with leading LLM companies. Other details: commitment required, engagement type, duration of contract 6 weeks. Location: India, Pakistan, Nigeria, Kenya, Egypt, Ghana, Bangladesh, Turkey, Brazil, and Mexico. For Africans, we are lucky: Nigerians, Kenya, Egypt, Ghana, and yeah, this time they really considered us. So this is a good fit. You can try it. And the next one is Softtech Hub Talent Network. Softtech Hub, RLHF annotator application. We are onboarding multilingual talent for large-scale LLF project. Fill out the form below and we will be in touch if your profile is a match. So if you want to apply for this, you just put your details here, address and everything, and submit here. So today's video was short. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share for more videos like these.